Welcome to Brain Vision.
Friends, this is a problem based on elasticity. Here it is given a steel wire having the diameter 1.25 inch, that is 1.25 into 0.0883 feet. It is under the force of 5 kip, that is 5,000 pound. We have to find maximum shear stress. Maximum shear stress when it is parallel to the face, so it would be F upon pi d square by 4, like this. So for maximum, the force will be in this direction, that is 4F upon pi d square. Substituting the value, 4 into 5,000 pound, 3.14 into 1.25 into 0.0883 square. So on solving it, maximum shear stress, you will get 5.54 10 to the power 5 pound per feet square. That's all. Thanks for watching it.